We have a 2024 Bentley 24MY Continental GTC Speed. Color on this car is dark sapphire. This vehicle came in for XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film. We did full coverage of the vehicle. We also tinted the windows with XPEL XR ceramic window film in 35%. When we installed the paint protection film, we actually removed all the emblems and then reinstalled them with OEM style adhesive templates, giving it that factory look. And we did an XPEL Fusion Upholstery ceramic coating on the canvas roof of the vehicle, which will give this vehicle extra protection from the elements that it'll be exposed to. And we also did an XPEL Fusion interior ceramic coating package in which we covered all surfaces of the interior with the XPEL coating line. This is going to give this customer that extra protection they need for such a beautiful interior and such a beautiful car. On this vehicle, we also installed the XPEL windshield protection film. We had some of the prototype film left over from the New York Auto Show. And as a courtesy to this customer, in order to protect his windshield from any rock chips, road debris that may cause it damage, we installed this film as a temporary measure. And as soon as the film is available from XPEL, we will replace the windshield protection film, as we did not have a full piece and had to do it in two. As you can see, this car is super shiny. It's got a great high gloss finish, and now it's protected from all the elements that it'll face, and going to give this customer the confidence he needs to drive this car the way it was meant to be driven.